All right. Here's sure. All right. You want to give us your name for the camera, please?
Hi, I'm Sam Descoteaux.
Yeah.
And I kind of made a pseudo drum set
Okay.
that I'm going to play along with something. Hopefully this doesn't fall on my face.
Hey. All right. Do you have a notation, Sam?
I do. I had a...
Whoa.
Yeah, just amount of water and saturation. I figured blocks and like a timestamp block is kind of the easiest way to do notation. Labeled like which one you hit at the given time. And I try to keep it as simple. I mean, not simple as possible, but have a nice little rhythm. But you know, whatever.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. And what were you playing on the computer then?
I did a drum kit program from the MaKey website called this here, which was pretty cool because the sounds are really cool. The only thing that I have to admit that the MaKey syncs is the fact somebody mentioned it. It's only having 6 notes, and I wish like you
Can map out the whole thing.
Shush.
Yeah. Turn the computer
could have
around,
had,
Sam.
You know, the ability to connect more
Yeah.
would have been nice. But I also worked with GarageBand
Okay.
underneath it.
Turn the computer around so I can
And
get a little bit of it.
and had a kind of a sitar sound go with it. But the other website that I used is right there.
Okay, hang on a second. Hang on just a second. Okay. Okay, good. All right.